Yes, ma'am, we can start the meeting.
So, good afternoon,
Good
dear
afternoon, ma'am.
students and staff members. So, this meeting is regarding the STEM, that is the first year ENT Association. Actually, the students, those who are here, were selected for some other purpose, but are unfortunately or fortunately, that part was not we were not able to initiate. So, we thought we can just utilize the same students for the STEM. Okay. Now tomorrow we'll be having an induction ceremony for the STEM elected members. There we'll have staff and students, and we'll be formally inaugurating this year's STEM proceedings. Today meeting, why we have assembled here is now we have some protocols to be followed. So as per our protocol, I'll just read out what is that we need to do today. We have a chairman for the association, department association. This is the hierarchy which is given by our university. So we have a chairman. So it is department head. So obviously my name is there. Association convener. We have Dr. Lata and Dr. Sona. Now Dr. Lata is on leave. So now we have Dr. Sona with us. And from the student side, other than that, we have the staff members representing each department that is attached to the first year ENT. ENT means engineering and technology. Now, from the student side, we need to elect the secretary, additional secretary, and joint secretary along with members. So, today we are going to discuss and elect that only. Uh, First, we'll select secretary, additional secretary, joint secretary. And when coming to the executive committee members, I request the organizers to select one student from each section. It is mandatory. Then only whatever is done in STEM, it will be reaching all the sections. Okay. And I think only till L we have. M and N is not included today. We'll just see what can be done later. Okay. So this is the agenda of today's meeting. So I
Ma'am,
request STEM members to discuss, staff members to discuss how can we go about this.
ma'am, we have to tell the students what are their roles in the STEM, ma'am.
Mm.
Uh, for then only they can find out whether they are suitable for that
Yeah,
post.
yeah. No, this is the introduction I've given. So now we have to discuss and we have to tell the students, right?
Huh, yes, ma'am.
Any staff can tell, or shall I proceed?
Ma'am, you can proceed, ma'am.
Okay. So actually, STEM is nothing but science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Why this association was formed is, even though first year BTech is not a full-fledged department, it is coming under ENT only, but still we have got a separate campus and separate, the first year ENT is considered a separate entity. We thought we can also have one association like this, so that when the students goes to their higher semester, they will be attached to each department there in the main campus, and each and every engineering department have their own association. Okay, so this STEM, students those who are working for this STEM will have an opportunity, a platform to prove themselves, to learn, right, and to develop their leadership skills. Okay, so this is the main motive of why we have got STEM. Now, even though just for the profile or the that is what I can say, just for submitting the documentation, we have various posts. Okay, otherwise all the students must work together, coordination for any program. Hereafter, whatever program we are going to have, it will be under STEM. It can be any lecture that is given to the student, or any technical event that is conducted for the students. Okay, so it will come with the umbrella of STEM. Okay, so as I told you, this is just a protocol that we have to follow as a mandatory one, right? Otherwise, all our first year students, you all should work coordinatedly for the STEM association. Okay, any event, whether it may be online or offline, right? So here, so far you would have seen only the staff member were doing all the MCs and all during the online event. Now I request the students to take care of it. Okay, at the same time the students cannot decide on their own. Now the when the stem is formed, we will be having a group, right, along with the staff members, and only with the instructions and coordination with the staff members the students should work. Okay, because since the first year you will not have that much of exposure how to do things, right, and moreover now it is online, we have not met each other, so therefore I request you to be coordinated among your students as well as with the staff. Okay, so the role of secretary, additional secretary, joint secretary, and executive committee members, as I told, let me come from the bottom. Executive committee members, from each section one of you will be there. Okay, and whatever is happening, whatever any discussion or any suggestion or anything that is posted in the group or that is posted under STEM, it is the responsibility of the committee member to take it to their class. Tomorrow nobody should come and say that I do not know such an event is happening and all, right? So it is the responsibility not only of the committee members, even the secretary, joint secretary, and additional secretary. They should ensure that whatever we are discussing is reaching the student. Okay, since we have got a large number of students, it is difficult to reach out each and everybody. That is why we need somebody like you to coordinate with the staff as well as with the student. Okay, then what is the joint secretary's role? Right now, whenever any event or anything, it may be either a lecture or any technical event or anything that is happening. Okay, the joint secretary hereafter should attend, sorry, should what I can say, arrange for the meeting. I request the organizer to note down. Dr. Sona, please note down what I'm telling.
Ah, yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sure,
Okay.
ma'am.
So the joint secretary will be posting the meetings, right? And in coordination with the staff, he or she will be framing the minutes and getting the details that is required for us to submit to the event office. Okay, now I'm just telling the work. I request the staff members to tell me whether it is okay or anything that is left also we have to see. Next is additional secretary. So the additional secretary's work will be again a coordinated work. Now generally what we are doing here is we are giving events and webinars from the teacher's side, right? The joint secretary, whoever is selected, should coordinate with the staff and student and let us know what type of event can be conducted. Okay, so event, you can also name it as event student coordinator for events, any type of events, what is done, right? So that type of events, whether this is okay or how do we go about that, and what type of digital support we need, right? So those things should be taken care by the additional secretary. The secretary, those he or she, whoever is selected, should take care of the entire event that is hosted. Okay, of course, everything, please make a note, it should be only with the help of the staff member. He or she, secretary or joint secretary or additional secretary, cannot do anything on their own, right? As I told you, right, it's the first time you are doing, so this is a platform for you to learn. It's a learning platform, right? So when you go to your department, you can do it on your own, right? There also, if the staff permits. Okay, so these are the things which, as far as I am concerned, should be done. Okay, now anything is left out, Dr. Sona, Dr. Nirmala, Preeta? So far we have done so many events. Anything else that is required from the student side, we can include.
Ma'am, I think we have covered all the important roles, but the main or the major responsibility of the student is to work as a team, and
Yes,
they should not have a ego that you are the secretary, I am not the secretary, I
that is
am
what,
like.
yes, I told in the first, that is just a protocol which we need to submit. Otherwise, all are first year students. So no ego, nothing. And only on the merit, now we will be having some students to talk and do, right?
And the elected students have to be ready for a speech
Yes,
also,
yes,
ma'am.
that we'll do it later. First, let
Yeah.
us select. Now, can we have any voting like that, or is it possible online to select secretary additional? We can give chance just 30 seconds
Ma'am,
to
we
each.
have raised hand option, ma'am. We can use that if we
Aparna?
want to. We have
What about?
raised hand option, ma'am, in Google
Yes,
Meet.
that's what. Yeah,
We
yeah,
can
yeah. That's what. So can we ask the interested students to just introduce and just give a talk for 30 seconds? And can we have the raise hand option and can we select? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
okay or do we have any other option to do?
Ma'am, in the short span of time, we will not
No,
have enough.
no. Actually, that is the acid test we are giving to the student.
Hmm. I think we can go with this, ma'am. Raise hand and then let them talk about their
Okay,
responsibility
first,
or.
okay. In that case, what we can do? Let us start with joint secretary. Okay. I want one of you to just note down. Aparna, can you note down who are all raising hands so that
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
sometimes I may miss. Okay, first let us do this. First, let us see how many want to contest for joint secretary one. Not one, only one joint secretary,
Joint
right?
secretary.
Okay. Joint secretary. Students, please, those who want to contest for joint secretary, you can raise your hands.
Ma'am, L9 Durgesh Kumar. Raise
L,
the hand.
yeah. Anybody else? If
G.
nobody else is this one raising, we can give unopposed. Please note down and
Somebody.
you can call the
Yes, ma'am.
student.
Somebody else also have raised one from G section.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am,
D50.
what are the postings? Can you tell it again?
Secretary from the student side, okay? Secretary, additional secretary, joint secretary.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So joint secretary, we have who? L9.
ma'am, as far as L9, D53, K51, E26, B60, K38 has raised the hand. Six people have raised the hand.
Okay. Now, how do we go about it?
Ma'am, let them talk now for 2 minutes. How
Ma'am,
do they?
8 students are there, ma'am.
Eh?
8 students are there, ma'am. L9, G18, H33, D53, K51, E26, V60, and K38, ma'am. We have 8.
Okay. Now, Aparna, I call out one by one and ask them to just.
We will give a question also, ma'am. Why do they want to
Yes.
become joint secretary or
Yes.
something?
So, students also raised your hands for joint secretary.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Wait 1 second.
We will
I
call. We will call.
will call you. The question you need to answer is why do you want to contest for the post for joint secretary? Please introduce your name, your section, and roll number because we are all new to you. And then just 2 lines, crisp 2 lines, not more than 30 seconds. Okay. Yes, who's calling? Aparna or Preeti?
L9, ma'am, first one. Durgesh Kumar. Durgesh Kumar.
Hello.
Yes, Durgesh.
Yes, you can continue.
Yes, I am Durgesh Kumar, ma'am, and my roll number is 9 from L section.
Yes, you can continue.
Yes, why do you want to contest? Durgesh is a very active member in that spoken English class, right, Durgesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are coordinating well there. Why are you not talking here? Okay, next.
Ma'am, G18, Sharmila.
G18 Sharmila, you can continue.
See, we don't have much time. If you're not,
ma'am.
only one chance. If you're not giving, they're not opening their mouth, please go to the next one. We cannot
one.
wait. Yeah.
Next is H33, Ranjit, ma'am.
Ma'am, good
Yes,
afternoon, ma'am.
Ranjit, go ahead.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Ranjit from H section. I am from EC department. I have
Ranjit, you
confidence.
can talk louder. I cannot hear you. Talk
I am
boldly.
Ranjit from H section, ma'am, EC department. I have confidence in doing this work, ma'am. So I raised the hand, ma'am.
Okay, good. Next.
Next is D53, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
D53,
ma'am.
sir.
Myself, Santosh, ma'am. I'm from D section and belongs to the branch civil, ma'am. Ma'am, I have, in my school, my management have conducted the mock polling, ma'am. In that, I have participated in SPL and I have won with the majority, ma'am. And I have done many events in our school, ma'am, very successfully. I hope I will manage this and I will do nicely, ma'am. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Santosh, you are from which place?
Telangana, ma'am.
Telangana.
Warangal.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Requesting all the staff member to also note down who's
Yes, ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, next is
Yes,
yes, ma'am. Not ma'am. E26, Madan, ma'am.
E26 Madan. Yeah.
Madan.
My name is Madan ma'am, E26 from Chennai. I love to help students with their all queries and I can help my leadership skills and all ma'am. In school, I was the school people leader.
I cannot hear anything. Can anybody hear?
Madan, loudly.
Not hearing ma'am.
Hearing very feebly only.
Nothing. I cannot hear anything.
Make louder.
I love to help students with their all queries ma'am. And then I can able to improve my leadership skills. In school, I am the school people leader and I have joined many events and I successfully win ma'am. So I interested for this. Thank you ma'am.
Okay. Aparna, next person we can call, right?
Yes, ma'am. Next is B60, Shweta.
Good morning, all. I'm Shweta from B section, roll number 60. I'm from computer science department. And I like to coordinate stuff, and I also have experience in my school as a coordinator and a captain for particular group like that, ma'am.
Okay. What are the some? Can you tell some of the events which you organized?
Sports event and cultural event I used to coordinate in my school.
Okay.
What is the main role?
Main role, we used to select members and give it to the teachers.
Staff. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shweta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Aparna, next
Next
K38.
is K38, Sneha Sudhakaran, ma'am.
Good morning, all. I'm Sneha from section K38. I raise my hand because I don't want to lose this opportunity. I want to learn through this opportunity and I do my level best. Thank you.
What is the opportunity you have seen here, Sneha?
Ma'am, this post.
Post is the opportunity. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Ma'am, next is G18, Sharmila, ma'am.
Good afternoon to one and all. Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Yes, Sharmila.
Good afternoon to one and all. I'm Sharmila. I'm from G section. I love to coordinate each and every group. Wherever I go, I will be best in my coordination. So I feel to have this post, ma'am.
Thank you, Sharmila. D43, Martin.
Hi, ma'am.
1 second.
Can I get it?
1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Rita,
Yes, ma'am.
there are so many L section students have joined. In the list, I have got L6,
I think
L11, L21.
after seeing the
L43.
link, no.
Mukesh and all, his name is not there. So many L are there. In the list, only L6 is there. Prince Gupta,
Yes,
L11.
ma'am. I doubt whether now the total strength is 61, ma'am. I think we have only 48 students.
Yes.
By sending the link, no, I think everybody, the people who are not in the list also have joined, I think.
No, I think others are okay. We have only 1, 2 like that only. L alone, it's there. I don't know. See, L section students, I want only L6, L11, Ritu Kumar, L21, Mamta Kumari, and L43 to be in the group meeting. Others, please leave.
Others can leave the group.
Yeah, Durgesh is not there in the list.
The students who are in the list, no, which is forwarded by your class coordinator, only that students have to be present in this group.
But ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Others can leave the class, leave the meeting.
From one section, I think E section, the coordinator told Kishore, one boy, he is very much interested. I gave permission only for that boy to attend additionally, but I don't know whether that boy is here.
Kishore is here.
Gayatri's class. Kishore.
Ma'am, I am interested in this.
She asked me only for that student. I gave permission.
Students who are in the list only retain in this meeting. Others, please leave the meeting. Ma'am, we can proceed. Yeah.
Time is going.
Yes, ma'am. Next is B26. B26, ma'am. Usharani.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, all. Ma'am,
Yes, Usha.
am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
In my school days, I'm a captain for one group, ma'am, and also I participated in SPL. That's why I think I can do this, ma'am.
Okay, Usha. Thank you. Rohini.
Good morning. Good evening. Sorry. Good afternoon. I am Rohini from B section, B47. And I wish that I will do my best. And I also have experience by doing my cultural events in my school days. So I think I am eligible for this. Thank you.
Okay. Next. Time is going on.
That's it, ma'am.
That's it. Okay, now.
Ma'am, you call my name. I can't talk.
Yeah, Martin.
Ma'am, hi, ma'am. Can you get me, ma'am?
Yes, we can hear, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Martin from Chennai. I want to lead my friends to achieve something. And I'm leading some students for their future. Thank you, ma'am.
Who is the joint secretary? I think from my point of view, I'll tell. Martin, that first one payam pesana. Santosh.
D53.
One girl, I don't know what is her name.
Rohini, ma'am. Rohini or Usharani.
Swati.
Sweta. Yes. 51.
K section.
K section, dane?
Illa ma'am.
ma'am. B60, ma'am.
Okay, one second. B60. Yes. So my choice is between these three. Please, quick, just a minute, Jam. I want the staff to elect.
All three of you are still continuing with the going for this contest. Saronan sir, please mute your mic, Saronan sir. Yes. Thank you, Saronan sir. Aparna.
Yes, ma'am.
These three names, you please repeat, Aparna, ma'am, which I have told, no?
Ma'am, Martin Manoj, ma'am, D43. Martin, ma'am.
40
yes.
Martin.
Then B53 Santosh and B60 Shweta, ma'am.
So it is my opinion. Anybody else, if you have
Ma'am, G18 was good, ma'am. Sharmila.
G18?
Sharmila.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Now, how do we go about, how do we select? Hey, make it fast. 2 o'clock, all are having class, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall we announce tomorrow?
Ma'am, இல்ல ma'am, give the task கொடுக்கலாம் ma'am.
இல்ல மேம் இப்ப நாளைக்குன்னு சொன்னா we will not be able to get the students make prepare for the tomorrow's event.
Ma'am, presence of mind அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது டாஸ்க் கொடுத்தா பெட்டரா இருக்கும் ma'am. Situations. Give us different situations.
One question for that only. I think these three answered, and their that is the way they answered, and அதை வச்சு தான் I told that is the answer to the point and the மாதிரி. But still வந்து that I think other three, the girls, they told they coordinated only culturals and other events, right? Sports and மாதிரி. But as far as we are concerned, we have to be, it should be both that as well as skill oriented இருக்கணும்.
We don't have much sports activities here.
Under STEM it won't come. But the two boys, I like the way they spoke. Martin Manoj was good.
And Santosh was also good, ma'am.
He told that he need to bring his friends also. So from my point of view, I thought it is a quality that a team leader should have, taking others also together. Santosh was also good.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who's that?
Excuse me,
yes.
Ma'am, actually, my name is not announced due to network issue. May I left from this?
You raised Shanda, Kumari?
Yes, ma'am, but due to network issue, I left it, so...
Okay, but only one chance, no? We cannot wait like that, no?
Ma'am, if the staff
please
is...
don't raise the hand, please. Joint secretary is over.
This post
now
is over. We will see for the other one. Other
so probably
things.
Again,
can
we go for a...
Ma'am, if the staff is still...
staff majority, can we go for a staff majority?
Staff majority, ma'am, Santosh. Me, I vote for Santosh.
Okay, ma'am. We also vote for Santosh.
Okay. Sona.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Santosh. Them also.
Ma'am, Santosh, ma'am.
Tough fighter.
Okay, ma'am.
For me, Martin தான் வேணும்னு பார்த்தேன் நானு. Okay. So if the majority is Santosh, Nirmala ma'am, Hemalata.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, Santosh.
Santosh or Martin?
Both are good, ma'am.
Students don't get any other side opinion, okay? Because we don't know who's Santosh, we don't know who's Martin. Other than start going to the D section, okay?
Only with the 30 seconds which you spoke, we are...
you spoke, that we are doing it, right? So don't take it in another way. Anyhow, we are all going to work together for any event, okay? So,
shall we fix with the Santosh, ma'am?
Fix with Santosh?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Santosh will be the joint secretary, D53. Please note down, Dr. Sona. Next,
thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Now, I want to just ask you, the staff members, one question. Shall we give chance to the same person who raised for joint secretary, or with a special consideration to maybe the 4 names which we discussed? Martin, Shweta, and one more name, no?
Shweta, Martin.
Yeah.
Sharmila, G section.
G section, G18.
Let these 3 be on fray. Anybody else raising hand for
yes,
additional secretary?
Ma'am, see, additional secretary. So I raise the hands around the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ma'am, this is
11.
all. Please ask them to.
See, those have already raised for joint secretary. Put your hands down. Click it
lower.
Again.
Make it lower.
Make it lower. Now it is for additional secretary. We have already 3. Shweta from B section, Sharmila and Martin Manoj. Along with that, anybody else is there? Raise your hand. Deepak A. And Eva. Who's Deepak?
I'm Deepak, ma'am, from F section.
Ma'am, shall we give another one question for them, ma'am?
Yes.
Saravanan sir, do you have any questions? So that they will be
Deepak,
preparing
which section, the Deepak?
F section, ma'am. F
section, ma'am.
Okay.
மேம் சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
Any question?
ஏதோ ஒரு question கொடுங்க. They will talk on that subject. If you give a subject, they will talk on
What
that.
is the work we gave to additional secretary? We told they have to coordinate with the student and staff regarding the type of programs. Am I right, Dr. Sona?
Yes, ma'am. Additional,
So,
yeah.
let me put
Well,
the
what
question.
type of programs?
If you become an additional secretary, what type of skill development programs you would suggest? Okay, what question?
Here you can start answering.
Yes, Aparna call.
L43, Kumari Julie.
L43.
Yes, ma'am. This is Kumari Julie, L43.
Yes,
Okay,
you can.
next Aparna.
I-17 Prajit.
This is Prajit from I-17, I section. I have studied SBM Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I have a lot. I will put my effort and I have confidence and trust to make the students make better in all the skills. And I will do the students' best along with me, ma'am.
Suggest some skill programs.
Okay, next.
Ma'am, I was interested in boxing, ma'am. And I have won some medals in boxing, ma'am, in district level and in zonal level, ma'am.
Okay, next.
And I'm
Ma'am.
L30 Vaishnavi.
Hello everyone. So this is Vaishnavi from L section. So I think I can handle this. I can interact with students to develop their skills, and I hope I will do my level best. So that's it, ma'am.
And L30 Vaishnavi is not from the list. Okay, next person.
Okay, next.
J7, ma'am. Selva Lakshmi.
Ma'am.
Good afternoon to everyone, ma'am. I can handle these ways very easily to improve the skills like leadership, teamwork, communication, then work ethic, flexibility, etc. Ma'am, thank you.
Okay. Next, fast.
D for Shweta G, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Very good afternoon to everyone. I'm Shweta, ma'am. D for G Shweta.
Which section?
D section.
D section.
Oh, so many Shweta are there. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. I done some coordination in a school assemblies, like making a meeting with the teachers by creating assembly and interact with students by their experience. We can choose students by their experienced skills, and we can easily interact with them.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. I can.
Next one called.
Nobody else. Please give the chance to Martin. Martin and the B section, Shweta and Sharmila. Fast answer to this question. Martin, Sharmila, Shweta. You're not interested?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yeah,
I have
yes,
some
please.
problem
What type of
in
program you will
in
arrange
here.
if you happen to be the additional secretary?
Ma'am, I'm Shweta from B section, ma'am. I will ask and interact with students what kind of session they want. Like if they want to improve their communication, we can organize some English communication related events. If they want technical events, we can organize something related to that.
Only you can find only technical English only. You no need for other activities for
No,
other
sir.
talent.
I'll interact with the students and I'll ask them what they want.
Just you ask like that. Okay.
Okay. Next, Martin.
Okay,
Martin,
ma'am.
are you
I'll
there?
find ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I'll find the solution by asking the students what we can do. Then after they can easily understand what I'm saying. Okay. According to that, we can handle it easily, ma'am.
That is what the previous girl also told, no?
You say
You are
another way.
expecting a different answer.
I need for
I'm
different.
having many ideas. Like in our college, I thought we would want to conduct drone racing, something like new innovative ideas.
Drone
What is your
racing?
idea? Drone?
Racing.
Okay.
Like that, I am having many ideas like that, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
To motivate the students in many ways.
Ma'am, everybody have spoken. This Lalit Kumar.
Yet I have to speak.
Who
Good
is that?
afternoon, ma'am.
Deepak.
I'm Lalit Kumar.
Lalit.
Yes, Lalit.
I'm Lalit Kumar from A section, row number 24. I like to interact with these students and know their activities like sports and events in technology side and skills, and then arrange some seminars like technical oriented and speaking, and create more opportunities and make them participate in all the activities. Ma'am.
Okay. That's all?
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
just a question for these
Now
people
we
only,
have-
ma'am.
Now how do we go about it, Aparna? Yeah.
Ma'am, one more guy is pending, ma'am. Deepak Rajadure.
Okay. One more guy.
Yes, ma'am. For a long
Yes,
time.
Deepak. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Deepak from F section. Am I audible to all?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. First, let me explain about leadership. Leadership is an art of motivation, right? In this posting, we are going to do some skill developing programs, right? For an additional joint secretary, right, ma'am? For that posting, we are enrolling.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and skill building depends on the attitude, critical thinking, problem solving, team collaboration, professional and strong ethics, oral and written communication skills, and etc.
Okay. Yes, staff.
Ma'am, can you
Again,
shortly
I will go with Martin and Deepak Rajadure.
Deepak Rajadure.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Martin, Deepak Rajadure, and
B60, Shweta.
Shweta.
This girl was good, no? Like that Selva Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
J7.
also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, one thing before finalizing, I think only some students are interacting, right? So if at all they are not getting a chance as secretary or additional, those who have spoke with confidence here, we'll make them as members. Those are not at all opening up, I don't know. See, at any forum, the students should open up and speak. Okay. Okay, proceed.
Ma'am, how to go about this? 4 people are there, no? Deepak, Martin,
5, ma'am.
Deepak, Martin,
Shweta,
Shweta, Selva Lakshmi.
yes.
yes, staff vote.
Martin, Deepak
Ma'am,
Rajadure,
Now no raising hands. Additional
now-
secretary is over. Please don't raise. Now we are in the process of selecting. Those already raised, please turn it down. Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
excuse me, ma'am. Now secretary, ma'am.
No, it's
no, additional secretary.
additional secretary.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
மேம் என்ன மேம் பண்றது? தீபக் அண்ட் மார்டின்.
Okay. So no, I'll just tell an idea. I don't know whether it is okay. I'll just give my suggestion. I request the staff to comment on it. Since Martin was in the fray for both joint secretary and additional secretary, I think there is there any restriction for having only one like that? So why don't you put Martin also along with Santosh as joint secretary?
Sona ma'am, you only will be knowing Sona ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Two joint secretaries.
Joint Secretary Santosh and
No, I'm asking, is there a provision? We'll make Martin, since Martin was there for both, we'll make a provision. Is it possible to make Martin and Santosh as joint secretaries?
Appadi.
Rendu.
Yes, ma'am. Possible is there, ma'am.
Okay. From the other three, let's go for the voting. Deepak, Shweta. Who's the other one? இது வந்து D section Shweta இல்லையா? G Shweta.
B section, ma'am.
D section G Shweta. Okay. So now can we go for voting? Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Deepak.
Deepak, ma'am.
Deepak tha ma'am. For me.
Okay. Nirmala ma'am, Sona, Hema, Chakra. ரெண்டு ஹேமாவும் சொல்லுங்க.
Martin ma'am.
Martin is
Martin joint secretary.
Two joint secretary, Santosh and Martin.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Additional joint
Deepak or Shweta?
Deepak.
Ma'am.
Deepak.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. So we'll finalize Deepak. Again, students, we do not know anybody. Please don't have any hard feelings. All the others will be there. This is just for a protocol. Those are already there. You will be in the STEM team. Next, finally, for the secretary. Any raised hand, Aparna?
Now we are going.
So many we have, ma'am.
Yeah.
No. Those have already raised. Please don't raise. It's over. And now a chance for others. There are 55 people only. I see only 10 or 15 again raising. No, from E section yarume pesala. J, K.
Ma'am, just see the chat
Don't
box
repeat.
also.
If they have already raised hands for both secretary and additional, chance is over.
Yes,
Ma'am, see the chat also. L43 messaged.
L43.
L43.
What is the message?
Okay, quickly you can.
I cannot because of issue. I'm a captain of my class.
Quickly, can we go for this, ma'am? For the
Yes. Okay.
D14
Kumari Julie, please wait.
D14 Lohita. We have to give a question for her, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody is ready to give or shall I give?
Yes, ma'am. Give.
Yeah, other staff kudumemba.
Yeah, ma'am. 147 avadu, ma'am.
Okay. So if you are selected or elected as secretary, I just want to give me quickly the agenda for a meeting.
What will be the agenda for a meeting?
Any
Okay,
meeting, any program, any event you are
How
going
will
to
you create
organize
it?
as a secretary, quickly give the agenda. Fast. This is the question.
14 Lohita.
A? Who's that? A?
Ma'am, I'm R. Lohita from ISD.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm R. Lohita, ISD branch.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Lohita.
I'm interested in this secretary post. So the agenda is
how to develop our skills in studies as well as our extracurricular activities. So skills not the main. In education,
See,
not only
agenda
in
is not
education, we
there.
work
Ma'am,
in
don't
both
don't
of the.
reveal, ma'am. Don't reveal, ma'am. What is agenda?
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. Well done, Lokita. A40.
Thank you.
A43 Siva. Yeah.
Ma'am, hi everybody. Good afternoon. I'm A40 Shrutika. So first, let me tell you what is an agenda. So agenda is nothing but a list of meeting activities to be done. So according to me, I do it in 3 levels. The first one is needs. The second one is planning, and the third one is execution. So the first one is going to be like needs. So we have to put a lot of things like what are the things or programs going to be placed in that meeting, and the next thing is we have to plan the timing for that. The major is timing and the scheduling for that meeting, and the final thing is execution. So execution is the properly executing things rightly at the meeting. So this is what an agenda for an event.
Okay, next.
Thank you.
A42. Who's that?
Yes, ma'am.
Sam Sangeet.
Sam
Yes,
Sangeet.
Sam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Same
Yes,
question,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fast. Same question for everybody. Make
Ma'am,
it
first of all,
faster.
a few minutes about the last meeting, ma'am. The last meeting held.
Sam, I
Last
cannot hear
meeting.
you. In last, we didn't had any meeting. This is the first meeting.
Ma'am, this is I am telling about the agenda, ma'am.
Okay.
If we have held any meeting, a few minutes about the older meeting, and then the description of the meeting, and the meeting facilitator name and name of the invitees, and then the first thing is the call to order, and then roll call, and approval of minutes from last meeting, so on, ma'am. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, next. A33 Bhargavi.
Yeah, yes. Good afternoon to all. My name is Bhargava. I am from A section. First of all, you have to select, you have to observe what are the needs we have to maintain, and you have to maintain campus neatly, and also interact with sirs and ma'ams, and also you have to score good marks, and you have to participate in different cultural activities like sports and dancing and modeling and etc. etc.
Okay. Next.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Mamta Kumari from L section.
Yes, go ahead.
An agenda is a list of meeting activity in the order in which they are to be taken up, beginning with the call to order and ending with adjournment. It is usually include one or more specified items of business to be attached upon. It may but not required to include a specified.
Okay, next.
E43, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm E43 P Anjali, and what is the main meeting? How to make an agenda means we have to first identify the meeting goals and ask the participants for their input so that we could keep them engaged in the program, and to list of the questions we need to address, and to identify each purpose for each task given to them, and to estimate the time which is required, and identify who leads with each topic so that we could short term clear them, and we can end the meeting with a review so that what and all could be taken care for the future needs. So yeah.
Okay. Next.
E1, ma'am. Santosh Kumar.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Santosh from E section. Agenda is nothing which describes the type of event depending on the size. That's all.
Okay, next.
I6, ma'am. Kirti.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kirti. I roll number 06. About agenda, I'll schedule the things on the basics of everybody's requirement. Whatever we plan, time wait for no one. I'll plan according to it within the period. I hope those students and audience should feel it is unnecessary or get bored. I hope I'll make a good decision when organizing an event with the cooperation of students and teachers. Thank you.
Okay, next.
G3, ma'am. Mohana Sandhya.
Yeah, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm G3 from BME department, Mona Sandhya. First of all, thank you for inviting me in this meeting. So before, in my point of view, before the agenda, I conduct a meeting for my team members let us discuss what is the list of program will be conducted. We can share our thoughts and make a list, and also we make official invitation to our staff members, and also we encourage our students to give up their talents to this world, and I also give respect to our staff members.
Okay,
and also
next.
J11, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sorry.
L11.
Sorry.
Ritul Kumar.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Ritul Kumar Chaudhary, 11 Lake, and I want to become the joint secretary because I think I have the good communication skills. I think I can manage things well, and I'll keep things hygienic as possible. And the thing, I am a very good manager also. And
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes, Avarna, ma'am.
B47, ma'am.
Yeah, Rohini.
Ma'am, I will submit it with 4 points. First is need of the event, and then informational, and the discussional topics, and the action timing and items, ma'am. Thank you.
B39, Deepan Chakravarti.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Deepan Chakravarti. I am coming from CSE department, ma'am. The agenda is the version of the meeting plan shared with meeting attendance, ma'am. And a meeting agenda may include a list of topics to discuss, ma'am. Formal agendas will also include timing and presenter information of each agenda item. And that's why I am having 2 certificates, ma'am. One is NSS and another Scout certificate, ma'am. That's the reason was I am eligible for the post, ma'am. That's it, ma'am.
Thank you. Ma'am, everyone have presented, ma'am.
Now, final.
Can we
Shall I,
shortlist?
ma'am?
Yeah.
L30.
L?
Yes, ma'am.
L30. Vaishnavi. 30.
L30 is not in the list.
It is not in the list, and last time also she have presented.
L43, 21, 11, and 6 only is in the list.
I just joined for my side, ma'am. I have interest to participate in this meeting, so I joined.
Okay.
If I can't miss, I can left, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, now who are all the shortlisted students?
I think Shrutika, A40.
A40.
A42.
A40.
A40 is Shrutika.
A40, then?
And G3.
G3.
A40, ma'am. I6.
3 shortlisted.
I6 also, ma'am.
That's what.
Select.
So you have A40, G3, and I6.
A42 also, ma'am.
A42 also, okay.
Yes, ma'am. A42.
Will I give my choice?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ask any situational question, ma'am.
He wants
Situation handling.
situation handling question, ma'am.
Situation?
Yeah, ma'am.
Situation
Situation
handling
handling.
question.
We gave only that. All of you have misunderstood agenda. Agenda pertains to a situation only.
Ma'am, we will proceed with the shortlisted students, ma'am.
Yes. So I think that Shrutika was good.
Yeah, Shrutika was good.
So nobody fixed to what is agenda, but still she was able to.
She was telling how she will be implementing if she is getting a chance. She categorized into 3 levels. That was wonderful.
That was good.
Yes, ma'am. Shrutika, we are fixing up, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so now we have finalized. I will repeat. Shrutika, A section 33, secretary. Deepak Rajadurai, what is the section? D, Deepak.
F section 4. F section 4.
F4 is additional secretary. Santosh and Martin.
Shrutika is 40, ma'am.
A40, ma'am. A40.
40, A40.
Santosh. Other Dhanam Santosha.
Dhanam Santosh.
And Martin. Oh, both from D section. Okay, both from D section. Is joint secretaries or joint secretary. Okay. Now, those have talked. Aparna, those have already given their opinion.
Yes, ma'am.
Just see whether we are having one representation from each section. They will be the members, and those who have not at all interacted, they need not be there.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute. From head section, we have one member. From B, we have
A, we have Sam, Sangeet, Lalit, both spoke. Oh
Yes,
no, all
ma'am.
the four spoke, right? Okay. B, Usharani.
Usharani, we have Shweta also. We have, ma'am.
Shweta, okay.
C, we have.
See, nobody spoke, I think.
No, ma'am. No one spoke.
D,
D43 we have.
no, D is he is a secretary, no, joint secretary. Martin's joint secretary.
Nobody else.
Shweta, and one more Shweta, D4.
We also had Lohita, ma'am. D14.
Oh, both, okay. E, Anjali only spoke, I think.
E43.
Yes, Anjali.
E1 also, ma'am.
Okay. Then F la already Deepak is there. Who spoke in F?
Only Deepak alone, ma'am.
Only Deepak. Okay. Then G.
G, we have G18, ma'am.
We can go for Mohana Sandhya, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohana Sandhya. Charmila spoke, G?
G, yes, G18.
Okay. Then both. Then H.
H, we have Ranjit, ma'am.
H33 Ranjit.
H40?
33.
Ranjit, okay. I section, Kirti.
I17 is there.
I6 is there.
Kirti and Prajit, okay. J.
J7.
J7.
Yes. K.
K38.
K51.
K38, K51, ma'am.
Okay, we'll go with that. L. Kumari Julie, you can give. She is not able to join, it seems. Something
Ma'am,
she's given.
Kumari.
Kumari Julie. Ama?
L21.
Wait.
Mamta Kumari.
Mamta and Kumari, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So these will be the executive committee members. And I repeat, secretary is Shrutika, additional secretary is Deepak Rajadurai, joint secretary is Santosh and Martin. So other names, those who read now, they will be the executive committee members. Okay. So let us congratulate the elected members. Again, I'm telling, secretary, additional, joint, it is only for the protocol. We have to submit. There is some format given to us, for that we are doing. Otherwise, all are only first year students and all will be working in team and with coordination with the staff members. Clear? Okay, so no ego, nothing. And no hard feelings. As I told you, none of the staff member know everybody. Especially I do not know. Even Shrutika also, I have not seen, only the photo I know, right? So don't have any hard feelings. It is only the interaction and how well you are grasping the situation. Okay, so that is what very important.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Sona ma'am can post the attendance link.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
Fast.
okay, ma'am.
You can post. Students can give the attendance. And
then
let
you
us
can leave the
congratulate
class.
all the staff members. I request you to congratulate the students and we'll work together.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, Sarana Mishra, ma'am.
Students, please fill the attendance which is
என்னன்னா நம்ம
rolled in
இந்த
the chat.
போஸ்டிங் வந்து அவங்க எப்படி ஆக்டிவிட்டி பொறுத்து தான் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகும்னு சொல்லிடுங்க மேம்.
Yes, that is there.
ஓகே.
Any post is not permanent. Okay. Another we will be seeing how you are working. If not, again, what sir is telling is it will be changing. Those who are not working properly, others automatically will be given chance. Okay. And I request Shrutika, Deepak, Santosh, and
Sona, it is asking permission.
Please listen.
Asking permission, ma'am.
Sona, you have to restrict and idu eduthu vidano.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Shrutika, Deepak, Santosh, and Martin, are you here? See, tomorrow we will have the introduction ceremony, and please prepare a minute talk for tomorrow's program. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice talk. I'm giving you 1 day time. Clear? It's not on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
spot. Okay? So as a secretary, as additional secretary and joint secretary,
Joint secretary.
I want
What
you
is
to
your
give a
role?
talk.
Yeah.
What is your role and what is that you are going to do plan for the
Spoke of
next
the
academic year, coming year?
Let's see whether now can you fill the attendance.
yeah. Try it now, all of you students.
Yeah, ma'am, it's okay,
Try
ma'am.
it. Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, Subhasri ma'am, shall we give time restriction for the student, ma'am? நாளைக்கு பேசுறதுக்கு எவ்வளவு டைம்க்கு prepare
Maximum
பண்ண?
1 to 1.5 minutes.
Okay.
No, bala, bala, I am Deepika, I am so and so from here, that and all. Just
What is
your
the
name,
content?
section, roll number. What is that you have planned? Your plan, academic plan for the 1 year. And what is your role? That's it.
Students, please try to fill the form and you can leave the
Make it fast. You also have class. We are also having class. பாட்டு சத்தெல்லாம் கேட்கும்.
சரவணன் சார் தான். அவர் டான்ஸ்ல இருக்கு போல. Those who fill the form can leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, students, nearby your name, please put your section also, because in the section option we didn't put the short answer format. That's why. Or nearby your roll number, just you enter your section. Okay,
Section with roll number.
Roll number, yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, in
Okay,
section
we
there
can
is an
see
option,
from
but
the list also.
Somewhere you just mention your section and roll number.
Ma'am, there's an option for a section
Okay,
roll number.
okay. Yeah,
and
okay.
branch also.
Branch also. Okay, leave the branch. Remaining section, roll number and name is enough. You will note.
மேம் எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ் கமிட்டி மெம்பர்ஸும் பண்ணணுமா மேம்?
எல்லாருமே
Yeah,
everybody has
எல்லாருமே.
to fill the form. This is attendance form that you are present for this meeting.
இது எப்படி நான்
Okay, I'm also leaving the meeting. I request the staff members to meet me after maybe 2:45.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All the staff.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Students, please make it fast. Those who had done the attendance, you can leave the meeting.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, E26 also spoke, ma'am.
Sure. E26 we will not, and we will let you know. Okay. If there is any option to accommodate you, we will see that we can do it, or else we will do it later.
என்ன மேம் ஏதோ பேசிட்டீங்க?
E26 also spoke, it seems.
மேம் ஒண்ணும் இல்ல மேம். மதன் is there? Is audible?
Yes. Madan. Hello, Madan.
தம்பி பேசுமா?
இப்பதானே நீ பேசிட்டு இருந்த.
ஹலோ.
Yes sir, hearing sir.
ஓகேமா, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை சரிங்களா. இப்போ என்னன்னா டிபெண்டிங் அப்ப அந்த சுச்சுவேஷன் என்னன்னா யாரு எப்படி அவங்களோட பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்கறத பொறுத்து தான். இது வந்து பர்மனன்ட் பிளேஸ் கிடையாது. ஓகேவா? நார்மல் பேரியர் கூட சீஸ்
Ma'am, can I leave now, ma'am?
Yes, for those who have finished the attendance, you can leave.
Ma'am, I'm D43 Martin present, ma'am.
Day attendance
லிங்க் ஃபில் பண்ணடா. chat boxல இருக்க பாரு, லிங்க் ஃபில் பண்ணடா தம்பி.
இதுதான் நடுவுல ஓடி போனதே இப்படி
சோனா மேம், சோனான்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு நேம்ல வந்துருவாங்க. ஒரு மேம் அனுப்பிச்சு மேக்ஸிமம் அனுப்பிச்சிருப்பாங்க. அதை கிளிக் பண்ணி அதை ஃபார்ம் ஃபில் பண்ணு, கூகுள் ஃபார்ம். சரிங்களா?
மார்டின் இல்லனாலும் ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை, யார்கிட்ட கேட்டு வாங்கிக்கோ அந்த ஃபார்ம்.
ஓகே. லெஃப்ட் ஆயிடும்ல. थैंक यू.
எஸ். थैंक यू. இந்த பசங்க போக மாட்டீங்களோ? ஓகே. थैंक you அபர்ணா. थैंक you நிம்மி மேம். थैंक you சோனா மேம்.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Sona ma'am.